Hello, my dear parents. Today I am going to tell you the basics of Abacus. I'm recording this video at my hotel, so I will tell you the only basics. Okay, so that you can take practice of your kids. So first of all, I wanted to tell you something about Abacus tool. Okay, so this is your Abacus tool where you can. This is called the outer frame of Abacus. These are called beads. Okay, so the beads, you can say that these are called lower beads, and these blue beads you can see at the upper side, that is called upper beads. Okay, this line which separates both the beads are called as middle bar. Okay, this is the line which is called as middle bar, and you can see the white dots here, right? There are 5 dots which is there into middle bar. These are called pointers. Okay, and the middle pointer is called as house pointer, where we will do all the calculations. Okay, so first of all I would like to tell you how to hold abacus. Okay, from left hand, you have to hold your abacus from last 2 fingers and thumb. You have to use your thumb and last 2 fingers like this. And these 2 fingers should be free. Okay, where these 2 fingers will be used for calculations. And from the right hand, you have to hold your pencil like this. From last 3 fingers, you have to hold your pencil like this, and your thumb and your index finger should be free. Okay, and the point of pencil should be like this, so that you can easily take a note of this. You can write the numbers, you can write the answers like this. Okay, so now this is how you have to hold your abacus and do the calculations. Okay, from right hand you have to do zoom. This is called as zooming, which is used for making the abacus tool stable. Okay, so this is called zooming. Okay, now from the house pointer, this is house pointer, this is called as ones place. Okay, this rod is called as ones place. Left of house pointer, it is called as tens place, and left of tens place is called as hundreds place. Okay, where we have to represent your numbers like this. Okay, so first of all, if I wanted to say 1, okay, so I have to use my right hand for this. Use your thumb for lower beads. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Okay, 1. Now if I wanted to say 2, this is 2. If I wanted to represent 4, this is 4. Okay, again zoom. Then if I wanted to say 5, then I have to use from right hand index finger for this, and the upper bead is called as 5. Okay, now if I wanted to make 6, okay, then from upper bead I have to take 5, and from lower beads I have to take 1. So that makes 6. If I wanted to represent 9, then 5 plus 4, that makes 9. Okay, if I wanted to make 8, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so once into ones place, I can represent 1 to 9 numbers. Up to 1 to 9 numbers, we have to represent at house pointer. Now, if I wanted to represent 10, then I have to use my left hand index finger for this. So, just next to house pointer, just next to house pointer, the lower first bead is called as 10, then this is 20, then this is 30, then this is 40. Okay, if I wanted to make 50, then I have to use my middle finger, and upper bead is called as 50. Okay, for this we have to use our left hand only. If I wanted to make 60, then this is called as 60. 50 plus 10. Okay, if I wanted to represent 80, then 50 plus 30, that makes 80. Now if I wanted to say 90, this is called 90. Okay, now if I wanted to represent 12, then 10 plus 2, that makes 12. Now in this case, you have to use your both hands together. Okay, So if I wanted to say 40, then 10 plus 4, that makes 14. If I wanted to make 16, 10 plus 6, that makes 16. If I wanted to say 47, then this is 40, this is 7. Okay, so 47. If I wanted to make 25, then this is 20 and then use index finger for upper beats, 25. If I wanted to make 55, then this is use your middle finger from right hand, okay, and index finger from, middle finger from left hand and index finger from right hand, 55. Okay, now 67 if I wanted to represent. So this is 60, this is 7, 67. Okay. Similarly, if I wanted to represent hundreds numbers, like next to tens place, this is hundreds rod. So this is 100, this is 200, this is 300, this is 400. For hundreds rod also we have to use left hand. Okay. Similarly, if I wanted to represent 500, then this is called 500. Okay. If I wanted to represent 700, this is 700. If I wanted to say 900, this is 900. Okay. For example, if I wanted to represent 105, okay, so this is 100, 105, 1, 0, and this is 5. Now, if I wanted to say 425, okay, 420 and this is 5. For tens and ones rod, then I have to use right hand only. Okay, so then if I wanted to represent hundreds numbers, 100 digits numbers, then in that case we have to use left hand only for hundreds place. Rest tens place and ones place, I have to use my right hand. Okay, if I wanted to say 765, 765. So this is how I can represent numbers into Abacus. Thank you.